Well, the Spirit is telling me open those phone lines. The Spirit is telling me that the young leaders of tomorrow is ready to answer those questions. And remember, this is all courtesy KFC with their new spicy Zinger, yeah? So I'm telling you, the Spirit telling me open the phone lines. Are you ready to call me? Let me give you those numbers if you're ready to call me right now. My numbers are 342-0081, 342-0081, 466-5391, 466-5391, and 771-1791. That's the numbers right there. All you have to do is call me and put that young leader on the phone, and I'm telling you, we're ready for action, all right? Who is this?
Nala.
Nyla? Nala. How old are you? Or what standard? What standard are you in?
Standard 2.
You're in standard 2, Nala. Mm-hmm. So, Nala, I have a simple question for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. You want me to give you a hard question or an easy question?
Easy.
Easy. All right. Very easy question. Who won Road March this year, 2023, and with what song?
Bungie.
What Bungie who? You had to give me a little more than that. Bungie who? Bungie what? What does call him?
Bungie Silent.
Right. And what's the name of the song? You can't tell me. You could tell me Bungie when and you can't tell me the name of the song. Or sing peace summer. Somebody's. You had to give me a little more than that.
I hear they come here for stand up. Hey. I in a party, man up. Hey.
You deserve it. And this is all courtesy KFC, our friends out there at KFC. I see a call is coming in. Hi, good afternoon. Welcome. Hello. Hi, good afternoon.
Hello.
Yes, who am I speaking to this afternoon? Who is my young leader? Sydney, how old are you or what class are you in?
I was 9 and I'm in standard 3.
Yes, 9 and you're in standard 3, Sydney. Well, Sydney, I'm going to ask you a hard question today, you know. Are you ready for the hard question?
Yeah.
All right. You like carnival?
Yeah.
All right. So let me ask you a question. Who won Band of the Year for Kiddies Carnival this year, 2023?
Ask my easier one.
Sydney, you will have to call back, all right? Let me give somebody else a chance.
Calling all primary and secondary school students. Tune in every Saturday at 12:30 p.m. for our Young Leaders of Tomorrow segment, where we open the lines and test your knowledge on current affairs in Trinidad and Tobago. Sponsored by KFC Crispy Barbecue Zinger.
With the new thing, the order KFC Crispy Barbecue Zinger. A brand new sandwich for you to devour. KFC Crispy Barbecue Zinger. Welcome to the main course. A zinger with cheese and barbecue sauce. Crispy onions make it like a boss. From KFC, come taste it first. Yes, a round of applause with the new thing, the order KFC Crispy Barbecue Zinger. Brand new sandwich for you to devour. KFC Crispy Barbecue Zinger.
It's as delicious as it sounds. Enjoy the new Crispy Barbecue Zinger, now for only $39.95 from KFC.